Yo, my man, stop wasting your hard-earned cash on trash AI video subscriptions. YouTube literally locked a beast of an AI engine right inside your phone and hid it behind this tiny star icon. I'm talking free pro-level video gen with zero limits. They hate that I'm showing you this. Ready to hijack the system? Let's cook! Alright, no time to waste. Open your YouTube app, smash that plus icon at the bottom and hit the tiny sparkle star in the top right corner. Boom! You're officially in YouTube's secret AI lab. You'll see some insane community samples here. But look right at the bottom. That's your magic prompt box. You can generate text to video with custom sound in one tap. If this value is hitting right, drop a F-lay in the comments right now. Let's type, my cute puppy eating a slice of pizza and hit create. Just look at that quality, bro. To snatch your clip, hit that down arrow on the right, tap save to phone, and watch the download icon pop up at the top. But if you want God-tier cinematic results, here's my pro move. Don't use raw text. Upload a high-res static image first, add a detailed movement prompt, and let the AI animate it. It's a total game changer. Now, here is the golden bonus tip for virtual influencers. Character consistency. Rookie creators start a brand new chat for every single scene, which completely ruins the character's face and voice. The genius play: generate every single clip inside one single chat, so the AI remembers your character's exact DNA. Need a viral beat to back it up? Tap create music at the top, type your vibe, and if you want clean beats with no cheesy vocals, just turn the lyrics toggle off. Hit create, and your copyright-free soundtrack is cooked. We just broke the matrix, fam. Smash that subscribe button, drop a like, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.